My name is Frank Leto, and I'm celebrating 50 years of Montessori education. Throughout my career, I have been committed to trying to find more effective ways to pass the language of music on to children. I would like to share with you my insights, observations, and unique approach to bringing music into the Montessori environment. I'm a firm believer that early childhood musical experiences help children become better learners. My Method to Music webinar will consist of 4 classes. The first class will focus on improving your circle time skills. This class doesn't focus so much on music, but how to be more effective in your circle time presentations and to improve your classroom management. Our second class will be finding appropriate songs for the classroom. These are songs that invite children's participation, and they also need to be engaging. This particular class will also focus on rhythm and musical activities that I also present during circle time. Our third class is going to be on how to utilize the rhythm band instruments. Every school I've ever gone to has a set of rhythm band instruments, but no one has really been trained in how to utilize them. This particular class will be an ongoing series of presentations that gradually get more challenging. And then our fourth class for this particular session is going to be pitch and melody. This is going to explore the concept of melody and pitch for young children. We will look at the concept of high and low and also solfeggio. So I hope that you'll join us in discovering the benefits of music and the joy it can bring to your classroom.